Alright, let's draw an acoustic guitar. Big letter C like that. And then you draw a backwards C like that. And then a kind of backwards upside down C like that. Draw straight line for the fretboard. It's a fretless acoustic guitar. I'm drawing from my imagination. It's artistic. But two straight lines like that. I'm gonna change the. I did not mean to make an electric style headstock, which is what this is called. I wanted to make an acoustic one like that, so you go like that. This is the neck of the guitar to the head stock of the guitar. It's the end of the fretboard. There's the sound hole. Here's the bridge. Here's the tuning machines. Give it some not so realistic, mathematically spaced apart frets. Just make a bunch of lines in there going from squished together to not so squished together at the end here. You got yourself a guitar neck. I'm going to just fill in this headstock black so that gets rid of that line. You can do whatever you want. I'm sort of playing around with strings, but I don't like where this is going, so I'm just going to fill it in black eventually here. Play around a little bit more. Make a design if you want. It doesn't go with the motif of the rest of the guitar, so I'll just fill it in. I want it congruent, you know what I mean? Could leave that little thing in the center there, but nope. I'm just plain black headstock. Excuse all the noise. I got the washing machine on. A bunch of stuff happening. Cats running around. Alright, inside of the sound hole is black. And you make 6 little dots on this bridge here, representing where the string ends stop. And that's a little, I don't know what they're called, I guess little strap holders. Pull out a ruler here. Make some straight lines for strings. 6 of them. Use my extra fine tipped Sharpie here. And have Ashy. There you go. Boom. I think I finally figured out why my phone keeps joggling back and forth like that. I have to touch the screen, telling it to remain focused on that point. No other settings seem to work. I can't apologize anymore for that. It's like the boy who cried wolf, but I'm just still working on it. That's all I can say. And one more string. 6-string guitar, obviously. nylon strings, to be exact. Make some. I know there's. I don't remember the exact layout of the dots, even though I play guitar. I mostly play drums, but I'm just going to make some random single and double holes on these frets to represent a fretboard. Looks like one to me. And you make this little, sometimes these classical guitars or nicer guitars have a little design that's kind of acts as a protective, little thing around the sound hole. It's more just for looks, I believe. But I am going to give it a pick guard after I color this in.